Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset your YouTube feed. Let's see how to do it. For doing this, first of all tap on profile icon, tap on history, tap on three dot icon, tap on manage all history. Here you can see delete option, tap on delete, delete all time, again tap on delete, tap on go it and go back, tap on home button and scroll. That's it. By doing this process you can successfully reset your feed on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.